If you're here, feel free to say hi and get the chat going. If you're not here, if you're watching this later, if you're not here, if you're watching this on a repeat, enjoy. Let's see. Okay, quick recap. First of all, happy Super Bowl Sunday after party, or whatever time zone you're in. I hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl yesterday. If you watched it, if you're a fan of football, and as a marketer, more importantly, I hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl ads, because that's really the thing I find most interesting about the Super Bowl every year, as millions of others as well tune in pretty much to watch the ads. Fortunately, with the power of the internet, we now have these things on the web, and we can watch those, which is great. But there was a great deal of discussion about the Super Bowl's effect on crypto and everything else last year and in previous years, and et cetera, et cetera. Now, the question is, what impact, if any, did it have on crypto's price this year to date? Well, as an after effect, it may still be too early to tell because we can see that prices are pretty much flat. Let you guys know, what we're looking at here are basically flat lines from the crypto space, down a little bit, 0.5%, 1%, 2%. You can see pretty much across the board there, things dropped a little, but it was not like a massive downswing. This is typical of Sunday movements in a bear market in the past year, and so we've seen this kind of action on Sundays typically and early Monday morning, so it's not such a massive surprise to see the movement basically be flat, if a little down. So I would not say that there was a massive Super Bowl effect based on the immediate impact alone. Is there a longer term impact? Let's see. Enroid, which I spoke about in a recent video. On Enroid, you can see the markets again, and you can also see interesting things like predictions, correlations, adjusted prices, etc. Sentiments. And in the predictions, we'll see if the impact has it all been changed for, nope, pretty much right there. Mean prediction 34.55. Here we go. Take a look at the Bitcoin chart specifically. You can see what they speak about. Okay. You can see here that the long-term prediction remains pretty much on course, and we don't see a massive swing in either direction in the predictions for BTC's long-term prediction. That's pretty much the course we've seen this. They seem to be consistent in their historical long-term prediction as well for BTC seems to be consistent with previous days. I'm sure our science guys, our data science guys, will look at these graphs very closely and give me the exact numbers, but it seems to be very consistent at first glance. And their historical daily prediction chart as well. So we don't see a major impact here having happened as a result immediately from the Super Bowl. Right? So the marketing effect of Super Bowl ads has not done what a lot of analysts predicted it might do. Nobody obviously says for sure, because that's analysis does not usually say for sure. SuperBowlAds.com, I just wanted to point this out if you're wondering where you can see the Super Bowl ads. Well, it turns out this site, SuperBowl-ads.com, has an archive of not just this year's, but previous years as well. Going back, I don't know how many years, but I guess a number, at least a few years. 2015, we got some in 2013, 2012, so I guess they have even back 2008. There we go. So, look at that. Even as far back as 98, apparently, commercials by year. So from 98 to 2019, that's a 20-year, 21-year group of ads or whatever. That's pretty good. So if you want to enjoy a lot of Super Bowl ads, you could certainly do that. Noticeably, I didn't see any specific crypto ads, like, built around a crypto product. right, in the ads specifically. I'll be right back after this commercial break. All right. See you guys. We'll actually continue this in a little while. I'm taking a little break now.